Today I'm going to talk about etherdelta and how to trade using etherdelta. So initially when I started, I also felt very that etherdelta is very complicated, but I think it's very simple to use if you know it. Just few steps that you should be clear about. So let's start with etherdelta. So I'm just opening the etherdelta website first. Okay. So when you open the etherdelta website, it creates a temporary address for you. So you can see this, that this address has been deployed as of now. So whenever you open in a new browser, it deploys a new address. So you can trade either using this address or you can import a new address. So if you want to import a new address, you just go to import account and you have to put your address and your private key of your Ether wallet. So you can do that, or you can also create a new account. So it will create a new address for you. Okay, so just a second. So let's just stop this notification. Yeah, so it creates a new address. So you can either trade using this address or you can import your own account. So next step is, so once you are done with importing your account, let's see how to trade. So I'll just use my account that I'm using. So you can see this. I have a balance. So I'll just clear a few points about how etherdelta does it, how etherdelta works basically. So what it does is it creates a wallet address for you, and other address is the trading address. So when you have to trade, you shift from wallet to trading. So what you do is you deposit. If you have ether in your account, you put some ether and then you click on deposit. So it goes to the trading account. Then only you can trade. So you can see that as of now I have 0.098 in my ether wallet of ether delta and 4.911 in trading account in of ether delta. So I can trade with 4.911 ether right now. And if I have to withdraw my ether from trading wallet to uh, uh, normal wallet, ether delta wallet, so what I will do is simply go and withdraw and put the amount. So as of now, suppose I have 4911 and I can click on withdraw, then it will be back to my ether wallet, ether delta wallet, and the address of that will be, so this is my address. And you can also open this address in your my ether wallet and you can see what coins you have. Okay, and so now if I want to trade, let's see. Okay, let's go to this one. So if I have to trade, so let's see how the tokens work. So you have, so, yeah, so it's a little bit slow. Ether delta is generally just, sometimes it Takes a little time. Okay, so there are so many coins. All the ERC20 coins are on the Ether Delta, and if some coin which is not there in Ether Delta, you can go on other and you can add the coin. If you know the address and the name, you can simply write the address, name and decimal and go, and it will show you in this list. I have done it for one coin, so it's showing in the list now. Now let's come to the order part. So the coin right now is this is your WTT. This is gigawatt coin basically. So I have 4.91 on Ether in my account. And generally what happens in Ether Delta is people make a lot of mistake while putting the price. So this is the price here. So the best part, the best thing to do in this is, if you want to go for a price, just click on somewhere on the, so this you can see I've clicked on the offer, so it's buy. Just copy the price and paste it. And if you want to I want to buy this coin, so, and I want to put a low bid, so just change the digit wherever you want. Okay, and you can also change the number of this expires. This is basically the number of blocks after which your order will expire. So what I will do, you can either leave it at 10,000, or if you want it to stay for longer, you can increase it. So suppose I want to just stay it for longer, so I'll increase it. You can also, this is the number of coins that you want to buy, this is the price, and this, it will show you how much Ether it requires. Just simply put buy. Okay, so you sent an order. It takes a little bit of time to be processed, so let us give it some time. Okay. Anything else that, okay, so let's see if the order comes. It has not come yet. You can change the language also. So you have Chinese, English, Spanish, French, okay, whatever. So one thing I would like to tell you, that what I do is, I generally have one separate wallet for Ether Delta. So whenever I want to trade on Ether Delta, I transfer my coins to this account. So, and when you want to transfer a coin, suppose any Ether token, you can directly transfer it by sending it to this address. So suppose even if you want to send suppose let me take the name. Okay, so just see, even if I want to transfer this gigawatt coin, this is WTT, you can directly send it to this address, Ether wallet address, and it will show it in your Ether Delta that you have this much right now I don't have any WTT in this wallet, but when you transfer it to this Ethereum address, when you transfer it to this Ethereum address, your WTT will show here that you have transferred to the Ether Delta wallet. And when you want to trade, you can just simply put the amount you want and deposit. Then it will be back into the trading wallet. Okay. So I am not sure if I am 100% clear about everything, but it's a very simple interface once you start using it, and it's also very good, to get some cheap coins. See, now the order has come. So now you can see that in just 2 minutes, almost two blocks, I put almost 20,000, but now it's showing 19998. So almost two blocks went by in 2 minutes. Okay, and now, so I put my order and I will leave it because I want this, I want to buy this coin. And okay, one more thing I wanted to show. Yeah, so what I was telling that, on etherdelta you can get very cheap coins. Why? So what happened, I'll just show you. COB. Okay, just click it, man. Just refresh it once. Okay, so I'll just show you that how I got cheap coins on etherdelta. So this is Hood. So right now it's trading at around 22 lakhs, almost 0.0002. It's not showing orders. It doesn't show your previous orders, I think. Maybe it will show in some time. Wait, let me see. I think it should show. Okay, so what happened was that Ether was, this ICO was at around 20,000, this price, but in Ether Delta it was trading at around, so you can see it was trading at around 15,000, 150k. So ICO was at around 200k and it was trading at around 150k, 130k. So I bought it at 150k. So if you're comfortable using Ether Delta, you can get a lot of cheap coins. Many times what happens on Ether Delta, the prices drift lower. So I think it's good that you can use the Ether Delta platform to get some cheap coins. So it's not showing the trades. Okay, so I got this Hood at around 150k, around this price, while the ICO was at 200k. So many times, if you're comfortable with Ether Delta, you can get cheap coins. Okay, so I think anything else? Okay, Ledger Nano S I have not used yet, though I have ordered it, but I will show you when I get Ledger Nano, how to use it with Ledger Nano.